Hello everyone joining us from all over the world. Welcome to our Midsummer Launch event. My name is Stef Darvois and I'm leading mobile networks marketing at Nokia, and I will be your host today. It's already a year ago that we launched this new virtual concept to celebrate Midsummer in a home base, Finland, and more importantly, to walk you through our latest product innovations. One of my favorite aspects of working for a high-tech company like Nokia is knowing how deeply our solutions touch the lives of people just like you and me. It's really exciting to think about how the network provides the best possible mobile experience that we can all enjoy. It's like music composed of the hardware components, the advanced software capabilities, and how we can best optimize and automate all the features. Isn't it fascinating? Let me now introduce our speakers. Mobile Networks President Tommi Uitto will discuss how we help our customers build future-proof networks and monetize their investments. Our new product marketing leader, Esther Navarro, will give us an overview of today's launch items for microwave transport and small cells. And last but not least, Mark Atkinson, Senior Vice President and Head of Radio Access Networks, will walk you through our latest additions to the RAN product and service portfolio. So sit back, relax, as we are about to start. I'm now handing it over to Tommi Uitto, Mobile Networks President. The floor is yours, Tommi.
Thank you, Stef. It's a pleasure to see so many attendees join us. Thank you all for taking the time to be with us today. Let me start with the key business drivers for our customers. It all comes down to the highest network efficiency, future-proof solutions, and monetizing their network investments. And when we think about the value that Nokia and mobile networks bring, one thing is certain: our customers trust us for wireless performance. We help our customers build the highest performance networks to provide communication services that are essential for our society. Firstly, we have a full range of R&D competencies and vast technology expertise, including SoC development, base station hardware and software, network management solutions and services. Secondly, we build our product evolution on a continued and significant performance and energy efficiency gains enabled by the most advanced chipsets. This means that we can support the massive processing needs of future radio networks. I'm confident that when you invest in Nokia RAN today, you are also actually investing in 6G. Thirdly, we know that our customers want to evolve their networks to cloud-based open solutions at their own pace. At Mobile Networks, we design and develop our RAN solutions to enable consistently high performance across hybrid networks. We provide feature consistency whether the implementation is purpose-built, cloud-based or open. This ensures a future-ready foundation for our customers' business. We make new deployments simple and the extension of large networks smooth. Our comprehensive portfolio provides the best performance-cost ratio at the lowest footprint and highest energy efficiency. We deliver the most innovative artificial intelligence and machine learning-based SON solutions and infrastructure services. All this helps our customers maximize real-life network performance and further optimize operational costs. We have pioneered slicing, and we are laying the foundation for emerging extended reality services. With our future-proof products and solutions, our customers have all the building blocks they need to introduce new revenue-generating services. Network slicing is a great example of how CSPs can offer and monetize tailor-made service packages. Typical use cases are residential broadband, enterprise connectivity, and industrial automation. Another emerging opportunity is the API economy, or in other words, making the network capabilities available to application developers with open interfaces and network as code. CSPs can also increase return on investment with the next big things in consumer electronics, including wearables and extended reality. We are a trusted partner and supplier who is focused on sustainability, ethical business practices, security, and privacy. In fact, Nokia and Mobile Networks do not have any geographical technology access limitations either. Our long-term commitment to industry collaboration and openness ensures smooth and truly open paths to Cloud RAN, Open RAN, and 6G. I am sure that many of you are familiar with our AnyRAN approach. By co-innovating with industry-leading partners, we give our customers the widest choice of strategic options for their RAN evolution. Our partners are experts in general-purpose computing, hardware, cloud platforms, mobile devices, and artificial intelligence. As demonstrated in many trials with our customers and partners, our Cloud RAN based on the AnyRAN approach is a future-proof solution. And the best part is that our Cloud RAN is commercially available this year. And we are not stopping here. In fact, we are constantly scanning new collaboration opportunities with innovative companies. As we announced at Mobile World Congress in February, we have extended our AnyRAN approach to enterprises and system integrators through strategic collaboration with cloud core providers. This will help accelerate the adoption of 5G in the enterprise sector and support industries in their digital transformation. Let me also mention our decades-long collaboration with leading device and chip suppliers such as Qualcomm, MediaTek, and others. It means that when new consumer and enterprise devices hit the market, our customers can be sure that our networks are ready. As a B2B technology innovation leader, we are committed to creating solutions that can transform the future of wireless networks. By working closely with our partners and customers, we are making the Nokia purpose come alive. We create the technology that helps the world act together. With that, let's move back to Steph.
Thank you, Tommy. Before we move on to today's product launches, let's spend a couple of minutes on the strengths of our portfolio. Our customers trust our radio leadership. With an extended radio access and microwave transport portfolio, we deliver the best performance, high energy efficiency, and deployment flexibility. Our fast product development cycle enables us to introduce new radio variants regularly in our AirScale radio and small cell portfolio to meet the needs of our customers worldwide. And we're continuously developing our AirScale Baseband solutions for higher capacity and energy efficiency. Our customers recognize Nokia as a leader in performance innovation. With our industry-leading software, we enable the best monetization of 5G standalone and pave the path towards 5G Advanced and 6G. Take, for example, our 6-component carrier aggregation trial with Qualcomm, introduced at Mobile World Congress this year. We continue developing this key technology, which helps enhance the performance and extend the coverage of 5G. And think about 5G RedCap, which enables affordable medium data rate connectivity with an enhanced uplink performance. Operators can run full-blown 5G standalone and 5G RedCap on the same network, which means that the LTE Cat4 ecosystem can be replaced with the RedCap ecosystem consisting of industrial and consumer devices. Another great example of how we can help create new monetization opportunities is Nokia Multi-Access Edge Slicing, which we announced in Barcelona too. It's a game-changing solution that ensures a unified multi-slice service experience across all access technologies, including mobile, fixed wireless access, and fixed access for business users and consumers. We build sustainable and secure networks. We continue to enhance our products and services to maximize energy efficiency, increase circularity across the value chain, and guarantee in-depth security. We have expedited the development of deep sleep and extreme deep sleep features that reduces RAN power consumption when carriers are switched off. The extreme deep sleep solution can reduce radio unit energy consumption by a factor of 8 without impacting the performance. Orange will roll out this feature in its radio networks in the second half of 2024. Let me give you one more example, our innovative virtual power plant solution, which is commercially available this year. It helps operators monetize the energy stored in their backup batteries in the fast frequency reserve markets. Our comprehensive service portfolio combines digital twins with AI, process automation, and product expertise. In fact, we are a forerunner in leveraging AI in services. For example, our AI-powered digital twins automatically recommend or trigger the right actions at the right time across network design, deployment, optimization, and hardware maintenance. In addition to RAN solutions, we also have a robust Wavence microwave transport portfolio. Microwave transport is an essential technology for providing mission-critical and business connectivity. Important use cases including boosting urban deployments and extending the reach of 5G to rural areas and other locations where fiber is not a cost-effective option. Let me now introduce our new leader for mobile networks product marketing, Esther Navarro. Esther will guide us through our latest technology innovations in small cells and microwave transport.
Hi everyone, it feels really good to be here today. I'm very excited about my role as a product marketing leader at Mobile Networks. For me, it's clear that we need to build a future in a collaborative and sustainable way. At Mobile Networks, our entire product and service portfolio supports this vision. Today, I will tell you about two important product areas, our Wavence microwave transport portfolio and the all-in-one small cell solutions. Let's start with the latest microwave transport innovations. Today, we are introducing a new microwave radio variant, Ultra Broadband Transceiver Twin XP, for the 18 GHz band. It provides 5 times better system gain with an increase of 7 decibels compared to the existing product generation, an achievement that our competitors cannot match. It's a key building block for providing high throughput and high capacity over longer link distances. A typical use case with this type of requirement would be extending the reach of 5G in rural areas. In fact, it can be combined with other frequencies using carrier aggregation technology to deliver multi-gigabit connectivity. In countries where lower frequencies such as 11 GHz may become congested over time, it will allow migrating microwave links to the 18 GHz variant. Let me highlight another important component of our Wavence portfolio, Ultra Broadband Transceiver Millimeter Wave Urban for the 80 GHz band, also called the E-band. It's such a compact product that it can practically fit in my hand. Amazing! However, it provides a high backhaul capacity of up to 10 gigabits per second. It's a great option for urban environments and locations where wind load or visual impact are particularly important considerations. We are happy that the Federal Communications Commission, FCC in the United States, will soon allow the use of lower transmission power product in the E-band, which makes our solutions an attractive product also in the US market. Next, let me move into our small cell portfolio. Today, we're introducing the name of our innovative all-in-one 5G small cells for indoor and outdoor use cases. Kolibri. If you consider the characteristic of the compact and agile all-in-one products, you will find that they are similar to the smallest adult bird in the world, the hummingbird. Now you will all remember the Finnish word for hummingbird, which is in fact Kolibri. Just like hummingbirds, our all-in-one Kolibri small cells are highly adaptive to their environment and very efficient at conserving energy. The all-in-one solutions allows cost-efficient, small-scale development consistent of just a handful of access points. This is especially important for the enterprise market. In the latest market study of a leading analyst company, they predict that the demand for small cells will continue to grow in the coming years. Our Kolibri is the perfect fit to complement the macro coverage of CSP networks and fulfill the specific requirements of industrial and office environments. And now, I'm pleased to hand over to Mark, who is going to walk us through the latest additions to our AirScale RAN portfolio and AI-based services. Over to you, Mark.
Thank you, Esther. Welcome to our team, and welcome to all of you joining us today. It's a pleasure to see so many of you at our 2024 Midsummer Launch event. Next, we'll hear from Charter Communications of the US. With our CBRS radios, baseband units, and all-in-one small cells, Charter's been able to increase its network capacity and offload traffic to 5G in targeted areas.
Charter is one of the nation's leading broadband connectivity companies. Under the Spectrum brand, we serve more than 32 million residential and business customers across 41 states. We are constantly enhancing our network to support this demand for greater speed, security, and reliability. In addition to being a leading internet provider, Charter is the nation's fastest growing mobile provider. Nokia has been a strategic partner of ours for over 20 years. Given Nokia's global 5G technology leadership, it was a logical choice for us to team up with them and our network initiative. As part of this initiative, Charter will deploy Nokia's newly developed 5G CBRS strand mount small cells in strategic locations across our footprint. Nokia's compact and lightweight small cells will help us easily and cost-effectively provide 5G wireless connectivity using our existing DOCSIS infrastructure without having to build additional cell site. Charter and Nokia are working closely on the CBRS small cell specifications and look forward to launching this new product shortly. By incorporating Nokia's innovative 5G technology into our advanced wireless converged network, we will ensure Spectrum Mobile customers in areas with a high concentration of mobile traffic continue to receive superior mobile connectivity and the nation's fastest wireless speeds.
As our customers evolve their networks and their business models, wireless networks can no longer be regarded as high-capacity bit pipes. Customer expectations are shifting from wireless being a best effort service to an always available service with consistent performance and high quality. Otherwise said, networks are becoming universal and programmable connectivity platforms. And Nokia's role in that is to develop the best products and solutions in the market to support this evolution. Our networks deliver tailor-made performance based on customer-defined KPIs. We build products that help our customers unlock monetization opportunities. And we ensure that our customers' networks are future-proof to best support their business strategies. Now that summer is arriving, I'm looking forward to spending a lot more time outdoors. Whether barbecuing, cycling, or enjoying other hobbies, having the right equipment leads to better results. In that spirit, I'm excited to introduce powerful new additions to our AirScale Baseband outdoor portfolio. You will remember that last year we introduced the Thule family of AirScale Baseband products. The Thule 6 and Thule 12 were both designed specifically for cost-efficient outdoor deployments. There has been such a high demand for these products that we decided to develop two next-generation variants in the Thule compact outdoor portfolio, the Thule 24 and the Thule 26E. Thule 24 supports ultra-capacity 4G and 5G, making it an optimum choice for network capacity and coverage deployments. The star of the event, though, is the Thule 26E. It provides our customers with a versatile choice for simple site modernization, as it also supports 2G or 3G in addition to 4G and 5G. While some suppliers have stopped their 2G and 3G development, and others never even had 2G or 3G in the first place, Nokia remains committed to all technologies which enable our customers to use their spectrum in an optimum way. These new baseband products perfectly balance performance and efficiency by leveraging the latest generation of Nokia ReefShark system-on-chip technology. They support twice as much cell capacity while reducing power consumption by up to 40%. They also enhance uplink throughput by up to 30%, which is a major differentiator to enable new mobile services that depend more on uplink performance. With a built-in trusted platform module, these new products leverage hardware process security keys that are more secure than software process keys. Nokia was the first supplier to introduce hardware-based security in commercial baseband products last year. Nokia has been an advocate of Open RAN since the beginning and is taking tangible steps in our roadmaps to enable both horizontal and vertical disaggregation. Based on this commitment, our AirScale baseband products are Open RAN compliant. And as Tommy has said, investments made in our RAN portfolio are future-proof. Our latest baseband products are ready for the arrival of more artificial intelligence capabilities in RAN and support an evolution path to 5G advanced and beyond. Our R&D teams continue to work relentlessly to enhance the capabilities of our products to make your networks more performant, more efficient, more secure, and future-proof. Now let's hear from A1 Telekom Austria, with whom we have a long-standing partnership spanning 3G, 4G and 5G radio access networks and private wireless campus networks across Austria.
We benefit from an international team of top experts, and together we deploy top-notch state-of-the-art technology by Nokia. Our network strategy is adding capacity to our network and especially on the high capacity side, so deploying massive MIMO in the 3.5 gigahertz bandwidth. As a result, we see that the Net Promoter Score is continuing to climb, and we see also in recent benchmarks that, for instance, Chip Magazine testified, if you come to Austria, the best network to connect is A1. Our mobile network experts, together with the Nokia experts, share a common DNA. So we strive both for top-notch quality and performance. We recently, for instance, acquired bandwidth in the 26 gigahertz spectrum, and together in no time, we set up a field trial to show what this technology can do. On the other hand, on the 3.5 gigahertz bandwidth, we have up to 180 megahertz, and we already have shown that on TDD carrier aggregation, we see more than 2 gigabits in downlink, which is amazing. We see a strong momentum in the direction of edge cloud slicing, and our focus here is, again, customer centricity. What we want to see is the smile on our customer's face. This drives us, and it shows.
To further enhance deployment flexibility and scalability, we have added a new high-capacity zero-footprint solution to our AirScale Baseband portfolio to support long-term evolution and accommodates 3 capacity cards and 1 control card. Last year, we launched the Habrok family of massive MIMO radios at Mobile World Congress. These products were already shipping as promised at the end of last year. They're enabling peak performance with leading energy efficiency, which is a fantastic combination for our customers. Today, we also announced an important addition to the Habrok flock, the high-performance Habrok 32. This compact massive MIMO radio is energy optimized for deployments where less instantaneous or less operating bandwidth is required. It initially supports a 3.5 gigahertz band, which makes it a great fit for mass rollouts that are now taking place in many countries. All the Habrok massive MIMO radios use our latest industry-leading ReefShark system-on-chip technology. We now have high-performance and ultra-performance Habrok options for both 32 and 64 TRX deployments. That means that our customers can choose the ideal massive MIMO solution that best fits their available spectrum assets and their site solution needs. At the start of the event, Steph compared the building blocks of a mobile network to a composition of music. So how do we ensure that your network performs like a dream? Our services for mobile networks have a really big role in this. Our customers have given us feedback that we are leading the industry by enhancing our services offerings with artificial intelligence capabilities. Everything is available and tested in mobile networks. This is not just empty talk about what can happen in the future. Together with our colleagues in Nokia Bell Labs, we have developed the industry's first purpose-built conversational AI chatbot, which is designed to assist care engineers in the field. The Nokia AI digital assistant is based on Nokia large language models, designed and developed by Nokia Bell Labs, as well as enhanced by language models from OpenAI. Some of our customers already widely use the Nokia AI digital assistant to make their existing care operations more efficient and more effective. Today, we are announcing a new release of the platform. This is an absolute game changer for the industry. The Nokia Digital AI Assistant has been trained with a large collection of telecom-specific technical documentation. You could say that it's designed by mind mapping the thought processes of a telecoms engineer. It is also trained to understand images and retrieve information from them. This enables interactive conversations and enhanced troubleshooting guidelines for the engineers. It can also understand and reply to much more complex inquiries. As you can see, AI is already an integral part of our products and services, and we continue to leverage the latest advancements in this area to enhance our portfolio. We also have another AI-based enhancement, which is unique in the industry. It's a new augmented reality application that we provide to deployment engineers and partners. It's known as the hazard recognition lens. At Nokia, the safety of our employees, partners, and suppliers working in the field is our #1 priority. everyone who comes to work in the morning should return home safely. The augmented reality capabilities of the hazard recognition lens make it easier for the field crew to identify hazards and ensure compliance with regulations and with Nokia's life-saving rules. With this easy-to-use mobile application, we can avoid incidents and promote a culture of integrity and safety. Our goal is clear: zero incidents in network deployments. Now we've spoken about new products, new services, let me conclude with the latest addition to our portfolio of Manta Ray network management solutions, which we launched last year. Today, we are launching a compact, pre-integrated version of Manta Ray network management, which scales down to meet the cost expectations of enterprise and campus networks. This is known as the Manta Ray Network Management XS. As the name suggests, this solution is a great fit for extra small and small wireless network deployments, but it can scale up with the needs of our customers and their network evolution goals. I hope you're as excited about these new products and service innovations as I am. Now let me focus on important technology aspects that help us understand the evolution of radio access networks and address our customers' challenges in the near, mid, and longer term. Most people understand that beamforming software is critical to unlock the potential of massive MIMO. However, what many of those don't understand is how complex it is to make the various beamforming schemes work in harmony together so that everyone using the network receives the best possible performance at all times. Some of the best brains in global telecoms work in this area at Nokia. With our latest RAN software, our customers benefit from an extended suite of beamforming capabilities. We also have an enhanced set of algorithms that are optimized for specific combinations of users, traffic, and cell topology. Our beamforming capabilities provide solutions for all scenarios. Firstly, subband and wideband SRS-based beamforming for users with elevated data speed demands. Secondly, a special implementation of codebook-based beamforming for serving large numbers of customers with enhanced signal quality. And then lastly, but not least, smart SSB beamforming with multiple SS beams which can extend network coverage. Field data shows that this solution gives a much larger coverage area per site compared to that of other suppliers. Our RAN software dynamically selects the best algorithms out of this unique beamforming suite. This optimizes spectral efficiency, data speeds, and user experience in massive MIMO 5G cells. Now let's take a look into the future of radio access networks. Wireless traffic growth shows no signs of slowing down for many years to come. All around the world, the number of 5G users is accelerating rapidly, and the amount of data traffic consumed per user is also increasing on a monthly basis. New services and business models will continue to put more demand on the networks. Fixed wireless access and network slicing are great examples of these services. 5G Advanced, though, enables many more exciting capabilities, but these services all depend on the continuous availability of high-performance, zero-downtime networks. This means that over time, the capacity of current CSP networks will not be sufficient and new spectrum bands will be needed. The allocation of the upper 6 GHz spectrum for mobile services was agreed by many regions at the World Radio Conference in 2023. 200 MHz of bandwidth per operator could become available in this spectrum range. The World Radio Conference also agreed to study the allocation of several other bands in the 7 to 15 GHz range for mobile services. Now, a frequent question we receive from our customers is whether massive MIMO and beamforming capabilities can be extended into these higher frequency bands so that coverage can be built based on the existing macro site grid. At Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, we started to answer this question. We shared initial coverage test results on the 7 GHz band, which looked quite promising. We now have extended results this time focused on uplink throughput, which is usually the limiting factor in designing and deploying networks. In this test setup, we used a prototype 128 TRX massive MIMO radio in the upper 6 GHz band. This was based on our commercial AirScale Habrock platform. For comparison, we also deployed a 3.5 GHz massive MIMO radio on the same site. Our device partner MediaTek provided a chipset-based test terminal with integrated antennas so that we could conduct the tests. And the results we've seen are really promising. At 100 meters distance, we were able to measure over 90% of the 3.5 GHz uplink throughput on the 7 GHz band. And even at 1 kilometer, we can still achieve approximately 75% of the 3.5 GHz uplink throughput. So what do these results show? Clearly that the upper mid-band can bring massive MIMO capacity effectively to large macro areas. This is good news for the industry as today's networks evolve towards 5G advanced, and we are preparing for the arrival of 6G at the end of the decade. Now allow me to give the floor back to Esther and Steph.
Thank you, Mark. Based on everything we heard today, one thing is clear. Our customers can be sure that investments in Nokia products and solutions are future-proof and provide the flexibility and openness they need as they evolve their networks.
I couldn't agree more, Steph. We embrace a collaborative way of doing business, enabling CSPs and enterprise to tap into the best innovation coming from both Nokia and our technology partners. And we work very closely with the standardization bodies and other industry organizations to define the future capabilities of radio networks. We are all in this together.
As our event is coming to a close, let me just remind you that for more information and any questions you may have on the products and solutions we introduced today, you can reach out to our customer teams, visit nokia.com or follow our social media channels on LinkedIn and X. You will find lots of content online, such as the latest case studies describing how our solutions help our customer reach their business targets.
Wow, it was an inspiring event with lots of information. We hope you enjoy being here today at our Midsummer Launch. Next, we will invite our existing customers to continue the discussions and learn about our innovations at this year's Nokia Radio World event in Helsinki, taking place in September. A big thanks to all our speakers, guests and online attendees. Goodbye for now.
Also, a warm thank you from my side and goodbye. See you next year, or maybe earlier, who knows.